Hi everybody, welcome back to our next installment in our series of What's Your Favorite Plant? And I know we've talked to Trent before this in the spring, but now we're back to him because our favorite plants change every day. So Trent, just for a minute, tell us a little bit about what you do here at the Bruce Company.
Sure. I work in the greenery department, so that includes annuals, perennials, and also houseplants inside, so kind of a lot of things.
Yeah, unloading trucks, unboxing boxes, watering, deadheading, pulling things that aren't looking so hot. That was a big job yesterday.
Yeah.
So what today, Trent, is your favorite plant?
Well, we're halfway through summer in July, so things are needing a little refresh for annuals. Celosia is a really good option. It does well in the heat. The blooms are long lasting. They come in a lot of different colors. They're very full and bushy, so they just kind of give a little refresh to your pots as things kind of die down.
Yeah, and we've got some bigger sizes now that just came in yesterday from Foliera, and we'll have these, I would say, through a good chunk of the rest of the summer. And
oh yeah.
Sometimes we even get some
fall
coxcomb ones that are kind of flat and have that weird little frill on them. But yeah, so full sun, what about watering?
Yeah, they like full sun. They like to dry out between waterings, but they can take a good soak and then let them dry out. It's been pretty cool, so they can go for probably a week depending on your situation with sun and stuff.
Excellent. So. And they've got tons of buds coming. If you were closer, you would see these guys are going to bloom for a really long time. Yeah. So thanks, Trent, for sharing with us today, and happy summer from all of us here at the Bruce Company.